Extreme cold. This is what it is to have extreme cold. You see, when it's winter in some countries in Europe, America, Asia, and Antarctica, this is how thick the snow might be. You could even make an impression on the snow. It's very iconic, it's so beautiful, it's so nice. It's extreme cold. Extreme cold. This is so beautiful. This is nice. This is iconic. This is iconic. These are some of the things you would experience in snow weather. You see snow of different shades in different countries. Snow with different design, a different landscape, in different shades, in different texture, in different countries. Snow comes in different ways. This is iconic. Snow in different parts of the world. Snow in different parts of the world. Snow display in different parts of the world. It is so beautiful.